everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and Taylor, and today we are going to unbox a package from Amazon. I was kind of excited when I saw this one. I did see, it's from Staroar. I did see on her video where she had either done this one or done a mock-up of it, and I just thought it was a really cool concept. So I wanted to try it. It was ordered on 3/19, shipped on 3/19, delivered 3/22. I paid $18.99 and it's a 30 by 40.
Can I pop those?
No, you're not popping those. Not while we're on screen anyway. You can pop them when we're done. Okay, so I had that, and then this wrapped up. Taylor has something she wants to show you real quick. She got a new toy.
I have a Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube, huh? Okay. So like I said, it's from Staroar.
It sounds like Star Wars.
It sounds like Star Wars. And we're going to go ahead and pull this bad baby out of here. Don't touch, please. Thank you. And it still has a... Okay. So inside this paper or plastic bag is a copy of the inventory sheet. I love this. And then Staroar diamond painting. That is very cool. And we're going to open it up.
Whoa.
And here are the pre-cut cover sheet pieces in case you don't like the plastic. You can just take these and set it over it and make your own cover sheet. I actually think this is kind of a really cool idea. So I'll probably hang on to those. Oh, sorry. And when you open this thing, it tells you how to get started, how to diamond paint.
We always know how to.
Right? And the diamond shapes in this one are round and AB, and there are, nope, because this just tells you all the different kinds. Okay, Staroar Toolkit. Go ahead, T.
We got baggies.
Lots of baggies, and they're the nice baggies that you can put you can write on. Oh, hold on one second. Okay, we're back. That was my brother came in to see, talk to me about the laundry.
And here's the pen.
Honey, the camera's clear over here.
Here's the pen. That's a Creo pen. Guess what color we have?
What color do we have?
Guess.
Pink.
One.
All right, let me pull the stuff out of there for you. There you go. Okay, now show us.
Blue.
Very cool.
We have a blue squishy and a blue, and we have the vacuum thingy.
The vacuum thingy?
Yeah.
I think that's a 7-placer and a 4-placer.
And we have the wax and the white tray.
And we got a pair of these tweezers that aren't sharp. They're more rounded so they don't damage your canvas. And they don't shank you.
That's good.
And a cover. Okay, so that's the toolkit. Put everything back in there, little Miss Taylor. And this is the picture. It has 20 colors.
Whoa, that's a lot.
And we are going to look at these colors because there's something kind of cool about them. If you've already seen Staroar's video, then you'll know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, hang on, because this is cool.
I never seen it.
Then hang on, because this is cool.
You said that.
Okay, so there's the picture.
It looks like Ariel.
Huh? It does, huh?
The picture that you got me.
And now we are going to look at these 20 colors. as soon as I can figure out how to open this bag.
Can I open the bag? The magical one.
Is there magical ones in there? Alright, so I'm just going to randomly pull these out. Oh, we'll flip this over so that you can see them. This is 14.
Can I do some?
No. This one's my turn. And this is 10. Can you put these in order for me?
1, 2,
And this
3,
is
4.
4. And
I found a black one.
13.
I found a black one.
Mm-hmm. And this is 8. And 6. Really dark, pretty blue. And this one is number 15. And those are AB gems. Sorry if you can hear people yelling, they're moving stuff around out there. These are AB gems. So that was number 15. And then here's number 7. And here's number 2. Oh, we're stuck to the plastic, people. Okay, we got it. And number 12. Hold on. Okay, we're back again. That one was my son telling me that my husband needs me, and I said, give me 5 minutes. Okay, so then number 5. Gotta put those two in order. And number 3. These beads look really good. And number 11.
Where does this go?
That's 3. Where does 3 go? Yep. And number 9.
Can I move these?
You can move them however you want to, baby. And number 1. And now here comes the cool part. So we've got regular drills through here. We got AB gems. I don't know where you learned to count, but you're silly. There we go. And now, number 16 are crystals.
I see.
And number 18 is green crystals.
It goes to these crystals.
And number 19 are crystals.
Number 19.
And number 17 are more like a darker red. A brighter red, my bad. And number 20 is another shade of red crystals. So in this one kit, we have regular drills, and then we have AB gems,
Now we have crystals.
and now we have the rhinestone crystals, all in this one painting. So this is what I meant by I thought the concept was a super cool concept, and I was excited to try it. I didn't take a good look at the symbols. Okay, let's get ready to do the unboxing scoring. All the symbols look really good. So here's where the AB gems are going to go, is through the moon and then through her necklace right there. And her bracelet. So those will all be AB gems.
Not all yellow.
Focus, phone, focus, focus.
She's actually using her phone.
Yeah, I don't think it focused, but the drills look, or the symbols look really good.
I can't wait to do some with Grandma. Because she let me do some with her.
Yep.
Sometimes.
Okay, so unboxing scoring. Accuracy of description. Easy to understand, clear and correct. Yes, on the listing, it showed me a picture of this exact thing and a completed picture. So I knew what this was going to look like. So a point for that. That's because I saw it, you didn't. Processing time from order to ship, from order to delivery was actually 3 days. It is Amazon Prime, so they'll get the point for that. The outside packaging, well, it came in this box.
Everything was wrapped in plastic.
And the bubble wrap stuff was on top of it to keep it safe, so they'll get the point for that. Inside packaging, the drills were in here.
And if the water leaked in, it wouldn't get on anything because it was all plastic.
Yep, it was all wrapped in plastic, so they can have the point for that. There's 4 points. It did come complete with the toolkit, all the drills, and the canvas, so the kit itself was complete, so there's a point for that.
5.
The canvas condition, the canvas condition looks great. See, there are no hard wrinkles in it anywhere, no rivers, no runs. The canvas is great, so they'll get the point for the canvas condition.
6.
The glue condition.
I want to do it.
It's plenty sticky.
7.
Yep. I don't see any rivers. I don't see any runs. The plastic
the
itself
river.
has a... No, rivers in the glue, honey. The plastic itself has some ripples in it, but not the glue. So they'll get the point for that.
8.
The drill condition,
Looks,
like I said, these look really good.
no.
Yeah, they look really good. They can have the point for the drills.
Kind of.
It's okay. That's just the wrong color in there. It happens sometimes. We don't hold that against them. The symbol
9.
clarity, yes, that was 8. Symbol clarity. They are easy to read. I don't see any that are going to give me any troubles. These ones with like the K, it is a light color with a white background, but I can still see them. So they'll go ahead and get the point for symbol clarity. Overall, am I impressed? Oh, I'm excited to do this one. Look at that.
Me too.
Very, very excited to do this
I
one.
like the tail and the hair and moon.
Okay, so I will link this down in the description box if you want to go check it out. All of her kits come with these extra papers and that and the toolkit, like I showed you.
I showed you.
Yeah, that Taylor showed you. So yeah, go check out her store. It's kind of nice. I like it. Overall scoring for this would be a 10 out of 10. So, thumbs up. Good job, Staroar. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below.
And give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down.
Either way, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever.
We don't really care.
We don't care. We thank you for watching and subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.